Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic JDM legends of all time, the Nissan GTR R34. If you're a car enthusiast or a fan of the Fast and Furious franchise, this car probably holds a special place in your heart. So let's get into everything you need to know about the R34, from its stunning exterior, refined interior, incredible performance, and how much you'll have to shell out to own one today. Starting off with the exterior, the R34 is a perfect blend of aggression and sleek design. With its sharp aerodynamic lines, wide stance, and signature round taillights, this car is instantly recognizable, even 2 decades after its release. The iconic front end with the quad headlights gives it a bold and intimidating look. The hood is sculpted with subtle vents and contours that scream performance. Side skirts and a massive rear wing add to the sporty appeal and enhance downforce. Whether it's finished in Bayside blue or another rare factory color, this car turns heads wherever it goes. Moving to the interior, the R34 offers a cockpit that's built with the driver in mind. The dashboard is simple yet purposeful. One of its coolest features is the multifunction display on the center console, which shows real-time performance data like turbo boosts, throttle position, and oil temperature, something way ahead of its time in the early 2000s. The bucket seats are supportive and comfortable, covered in high-quality materials that still feel premium today. There's also enough room in the back for passengers, though let's be honest, this car is all about the driver's experience. Now let's talk performance, and this is where the R34 really shines. Under the hood is the legendary RB26 DETT engine, a 2.6-liter twin-turbo inline-six capable of pushing around 280 horsepower stock, though most enthusiasts tune it well beyond that. Paired with the advanced Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system and an active LSD, this car sticks to the road like glue. It handles like a dream, with sharp steering and superb balance. The 0-60 time is around 4.9 seconds, and it can reach a top speed of about 165 meters. But again, with tuning, the limits are almost endless. Finally, let's talk money. Back in the day, the R34 retailed for around $45,000, 0 cents in Japan. Today, depending on condition, mileage, and if it's a special edition like the V-Spec 2 or NUR, you're looking at anywhere from $120,000, 0 cents. The R34 has become a collector's item, and prices are only going up as it becomes rarer and more legal to import in different countries. That's it for today's review. The Nissan GTR R34 is not just a car. It's a piece of automotive history. Let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another car review. Catch you in the next one.